What is market capitalization in crypto? What is market cap? So many people have been saying that this coin has a market cap of this amount and they do not understand what it is. In this video, I'll be explaining to you what market cap means and how you can use it for your advantage. My name is Fabian 1D, the crypto lord. I decrypt crypto and make it so simple that even a child of 5 can understand. So if crypto is what you love, then can you give me that one subscription and click the bell for notification so that you should not miss on any of our videos. I'm being certified in so many domains, but I've never been certified as a financial advisor. So every information gotten in this video should be taken for education and entertainment only. When somebody is doing research in crypto, one of the factors they consider is the market cap of that token, of that cryptocurrency. And with this market cap, it will give you if this crypto project is secured or not. So many people consider market cap. I myself, during investment in cryptocurrency. So what is this market cap? Market cap is the total circulating supply of a token times the price multiplied by the price. So if a token has maybe 1 million tokens in circulation and the price of one token is $1, that means the market cap is $1 million. So this gives you now the idea of the market cap of a token. The larger the market cap of a token, the more secure it is. The lower the market cap, the more unsecure it is. But the larger the market cap, the crypto token do not have high chances of rising. So there is no room for rising that much. You cannot see a token with a large market cap rising by 1,000%. It is difficult. But you can see a token with a low market cap rising by 1,000, 2,000, 5,000%. That is how crypto works. Now, with the market cap of a large, with a token of a large market cap, you can invest there because you are sure that it is rising gradually. That is a secure investment. That's why you see they say Bitcoin is more of a secure investment than other crypto projects, because it has a very high market cap. It cannot pump like other crypto projects. It is rising gradually. It takes time, but it is more secure because of this market cap. People believe in it. People have pumped money in it. Let's say a token has 1 billion of the token, and one of the token is 0.00 this dollars. Multiply it by the number of tokens, you will know the market cap. It can be very low, but it has high chances of pumping because just $1 million, $2 million pumping into it can make the price to skyrocket. But if you pump $1 million in Bitcoin, it will really be insignificant that much because of the amount that is already circulating in the token, in the coin, Bitcoin. Market cap gives you now an idea of if you have this amount for risk. This is the amount I'm willing to risk. Those are the tokens you should invest this risky amount in. Tokens with a low market cap. That's where you see shit coins coming in. That's where you see meme coins coming in. That's where you see all of these coins with low market cap. People will come and pump in money in it and it rises, pop, and they cash out and they make money. But now, if you come and you do this in the coins, they can also dump and you lose a good chunk of money. With these low market cap projects, invest just what you are willing to lose. But if you have a great vision to go ahead to see the world further, you can invest your chunk of money in these projects with high market cap, like Ethereum, like BNB, like Bitcoin, like all of these projects with high market cap. It will not pump as other projects, but gradually it is growing. If you see yourself 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years from now, those are the kind of projects you invest in. Projects with a great vision, project with a large community and a large market cap. Avoid projects with a low market cap to invest your real investment money. You can carry, I do this. This is what I personally do. I have my portfolio, that my visionary portfolio, in projects like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Cardano. Cardano has also a great vision. And Solana. Those are projects I believe in. Gala. Now, I have a share of my portfolio that I just use to risk. I select these shit coins with low market cap. I do my due diligence and I invest there. It pumps, I make money. There are sometimes I lose money. Those are where I do my playing. But when it comes to my portfolio, I invest in projects that have high market cap and great vision. Good projects behind it, not all of these shit coins. I trade shit coins with just little amount. Do not risk a portion of your account in shit coins or these coins with low market cap. I hope this helped you. Use it for your advantage.